As you can see, it's still very cloudy, but the sun's come out randomly. So pushing in 26 amps average to 27, with the panels running. Quite stoked that that inverter came today. Yeah, let me know what ideas you guys have, what I should put into this new project going into the garage. Okay, why the heck are we staring at a dryer and a fridge and a power board and two different extension leads? Well, that extension lead goes up and powers these lights. That power board powers the dryer. It also powers that Waco fridge. Alright, the dryer is about to turn on and do a cycle. Take you for a little walk. Some of you may get the gist of what I'm doing right now, some of you may not. So with those lights on full tilt, we're only using 18.5 amps. Now, I wanted to do this test in the dark because I didn't want any solar coming in. Now, what percentage is the batteries on at the moment? They're on 99%. 99%, can everyone see that? And in the morning, gonna check what it's at with the lights staying on and that dryer doing a full cycle. Let's see what that's drawing. Somehow with the dryer on, we're only pulling about 32, 31 amps, but it does spike up around 200 amps. So we'll see what they're at in the morning. What are we at now? We're at 98.8. Let's see how we go. So we used 363 amp hours last night. We have 14, 15 amps we're still using with that light. Now the actual percentage is a bit off. I'm gonna have to recalibrate that shunt, I think. So we got these lights still going. This fridge is still running. Now the other thing is, what's actually running in the camper is another fridge too. The dryer's finished its cycle. So yeah, that's not too bad. 363 amp hours. So we're going to see what we can put back in over a cloudy day. So at the moment the fridge in the camper is drawing. We're not getting much sun whatsoever. It's a very overcast day. So I've pulled out this panel as well. Another 200 watt panel. We've got the 260s up there. And we'll see what the system is capable of doing on a cloudy day. See how much it can put back in. Then tomorrow, if it's any better, the weather, we'll see what it gets back up to. So this is a bit of an experiment to see how much I'm going to use using the dryer as well, and that other little fridge in the shed in the garage, because I want to see how much power I actually need for this system that I'm going to build in the garage. So I already know that I need at least 400 amp hours to get the job done, and I've packed up the power lead and plugged everything back into its normal power source. But what I think I will do is run this fridge off the 12 volt source when it's going to be in that box. So this is going to be a long spread out video, and that's what I think I'll do, to be honest. I've got the new Muller Energy BMS. It's a beast of a thing, and the rest of the gear that comes with it. It comes with the whole wiring harness and a balancer, so, and a little screen. So we're going to put all that straight into that toolbox there with an inverter and these other batteries down here. And yes, we will be using the swollen cells. So don't ask me how. These are $209, but I am guessing that maybe it's just because the packaging got damaged or something like that. So yeah, there's an actual listing on eBay. Look at that. So guys, I initially thought this was a gimmick, but mine just arrived in the mail. By far probably the best buy I've got on eBay in a while, as I know a lot of people hate King's stuff, but these inverters are actually really hardy. So I'm going to give this one a shot. A little bit of a dent there for $209. So anyone else that knows what these things are worth online, they're definitely not $209. I just thought it was going to be a rip-off, and if I got ripped off, I got ripped off, but it looks like it's genuinely, and it came on Sunday. It came here today on Sunday. So we'll open it up and see what happens, eh? Well, there you have it. It's not even damaged. It's a damaged box. I honestly think it's just the damaged box, and that's it. That's ridiculous. That's by far the cheapest one on the market at the moment for a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. Well, there you go. Comes with all the cables and some covers. Yeah, it's definitely the genuine Kings, so I dare say that it's some sort of like scratch and dent ones that they're selling. Honestly, if that's all I've got to worry about, I'm pretty stoked. This is going to be for a project that's coming up. As you can see, it's still very cloudy, but the sun's come out randomly. So pushing in 26 amps average to 27 with the panels running. Quite stoked that that inverter came today. Yeah, let me know what ideas you guys have, what I should put into this new project going into the garage.